Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make dynamic lighting in vanilla Minecraft. And if you don't know what that means, it's basically optifine torches. This is how it looks. Basically light follows you around wherever you go. It's pretty nice, like this. And it works in your offhand too. And also this works for Bedrock too, and I'll first show you how to do this on Java and then how to do this on Bedrock. Now let's look at the commands. Luckily for you, there are only 3 and all of the commands are in the description, so you can just copy paste them. But now let's check the first command. So the command says that it's happening at all the players in the world. This is the first part of the command. This is what it means. And then run fill all of this air, replace light level 14, means that in a box of 10 blocks in every direction, it replaces the light, a block of level 14, with air. Also, before we continue, I think I owe you an explanation of what the light block is. If you don't know, it's basically a block that makes light around it, and you can change the value from 0, that means no light, to 15. Now let's take a look at the other 2 commands that, by the way, are way easier to understand than the first one. The second one says the command is happening at a player with a torch in their hand, and the command just puts a light block at their location, and you can change the power from here. So for example, I can make it to 9 and it's weaker, or 15 and it's more powerful, but I'll leave it on 14. I think it's enough. The third one does the exact same thing as the second one, but instead of checking if the torch is in the hand of the player, it checks if the torch is in the offhand. So slot -106b means offhand. And there you go, you can now walk around with your torch in your hand. It's really nice, especially caving. But the last thing you have to do is step on the command block and go in chat and type Forceload, add, and then 4 tildes, so the command works everywhere in your world. And another cool thing you can do is you can go on Google and search a certain ID for an item. So for example, a glowstone ID. And you just remove torch from here and change it to the glowstone ID, for example. So now when you hold glowstone in your hand, it will light the area around you. That's pretty nice too. But now that we've finished with Java, let's take a look at the Bedrock commands. I'm now on Bedrock and let's take a look at the commands. First one is on repeat and always active, and it is really similar to the Java one. It does the same thing, but here at the end you have to do light underline block and then block light level equal 14. It's like light and then this and level equal 14. Same thing, but this is how you do it on Bedrock. So that's it with the first one. And second one, chain and always active, and this one is a bit different, but I'll explain it to you. So execute at e, and here instead of nbt you have this hasitem, and then item equal torch, and then location slot.weapon.mainhand. So that means it will detect a torch in your hand. Also, if at some point there is gonna be offhand, if you're watching this in the future and you'll have offhand, you can do another chain command block on always active after this one, and instead of main hand slot.weapon.mainhand, you do slot.weapon.offhand. So now it will work on your offhand too, and then run fill tilde tilde 1 tilde 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 1 tilde light block and block light level equal 14. And that's basically it. Also, if you hold right now your torch, you will see in the left top corner the command. So you have to go in chat and type /gamerule commandBlockOutput false. So now when you hold it, this doesn't happen anymore. And also go in chat and type /sticking area add and then your chords, so the command works everywhere in your world. And that is it. Now it works on Bedrock too. Really neat. And that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and bye bye. Have a nice day.